भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग मिटे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। If any of these verses sound familiar, you are in for a great ride. Hey, hi fam, welcome back to another episode of Dharma Bites, your favorite place for mythological deep dives, cosmic wisdom, and stories so epic they make your brain do a somersault. And today, oh boy, do I have a banger of a story for you. You know Lord Hanuman, right? The OG superhero, the strongest, most devoted, tail on fire, literally powerhouse of Hindu mythology. But today, we are not just talking about the regular Hanuman. No. We are cranking the volume up, throwing in some divine upgrades, and introducing you to Panchamukhi Hanuman. Picture this. You're watching your favorite superhero movie. And just when you think the hero is powerful enough, boom! They unlock a new form. A crazy, powerful transformation that takes them to a whole new level. This is exactly what happens here. Five-faced Hanuman. Imagine Hanuman but on a cosmic overdrive. 5 faces, 5 times the power, and 5 times the awesomeness. If regular Hanuman is like your favorite action hero, then Panchamukhi Hanuman is the full Avengers Endgame lineup. Except, divine. But why does he even have 5 faces? What's the story behind this turbocharged form? And how did it help him take down some serious shady demons? If these are some questions lingering in your head, strap in, because this is going to be a wild, and when I mean wild, I mean wild ride. Alright, let's roll the tapes back to Ramayana days. We are at the tail end of the Great War. Pun very much intended. Lord Rama is this close to defeating Ravana, and things are heating up. But just when you think it's all smooth sailing, bam! Plot twist! Enter Ahiravana. Who's this dude, you ask? Good question. Well, Ahiravana is Ravana's sneaky, sorcery-loving brother who rules the Patal Lok, aka the underworld. And this guy, he's got some great tricks up his sleeve. So, one night, while Rama and Lakshmana are catching on some much-needed sleep, like most of us these days, Ahiravana pulls off the Mission Impossible heist of the century. He sneaks into their camp, yonks them straight off their beds, and drags them all the way into Patal Lok. Just like that. Kidnapped. Vanished. Poof. Classic villain move, right? Now, let me tell you something. If there's one thing you do not mess with, it's Hanuman's beloved Prabhu Shri Ram. The second a mighty warrior finds out, he goes full rescue mission mode. No hesitations or delays whatsoever. And now, down he goes straight into the underworld. Now, Patal Lok. Not exactly your dream vacation spot. I mean, come on, it's dark, eerie, and crawling with all sorts of creepy crawlies. But just think of it as a haunted house, 100 times worse, and full of demons. But Hanuman, he's unbothered. This is just another Tuesday for him. He storms through the underworld, smashing demons left and right, until he reaches Ahiravana's lair. And here is where things get interesting. Buckle up. Ravana, being the slippery trickster he is, has set up some next level security. We are talking about 5 lamps burning in 5 different directions. And here's the catch: unless all 5 lamps are extinguished at the same time, Ravana is nearly invincible. I mean, talk about high stakes security system. This guy took password protection to a whole new level. Hmm. What does Hanuman do? He levels up. Now, if you thought regular Hanuman was powerful, just wait until you hear about Panchamukhi Hanuman. Realizing he needs 5 faces to handle this problem, Hanuman literally transforms himself into the Panchamukhi avatar, a 5-faced mega beast of divine power. And each face, they have got their own special skills. The 5 faces are as follows: Hanuman, facing east, the OG strength, courage, and devotion face. Narasimha, on the south, pure rage mode, obliterates fear and crushes enemies. Garuda, on the west, master of anti-dark magic spell. No black magic works in this presence. Varaha, on the north, gives divine protection and prosperity, and bonus points can lift mountains. Hayagriva, upwards, the knowledge guru, boosts wisdom and intellect. And boom, just like that, 5 faces, 5 lamps, 5 times the firepower. In one swift move, Panchamukhi Hanuman blows out all 5 lamps at the exact same time. And just like that, Ravana is a toast. Game over. Rescue mission success. Now here is another mind-blowing piece of Hanuman's legend: his connection with Shanidev, aka Saturn. You see, back in the day, Ravana had captured all the planets, including Shani, and kept them beneath his foot to ensure the positions favored his rule. But Hanuman entered Lanka on a mission to find Mata Sita. He heard Shani's cries for help, and being the ever-compassionate hero, he freed Shani. Shani, deeply grateful, warmed and warned Hanuman that since he had seen his face, he would have to endure Shani's dreaded influence. Hanuman, completely unfazed, told Shani that he could sit on his head. What happened next, you ask? Well, Hanuman continued smashing demons, trees, and boulders with his head, giving Shani the worst rollercoaster ride of his life. I mean, he had to take Dolo 650 for almost a long time, guys. Eventually, Shani could not take it anymore and he begged Hanuman to leave him. In gratitude, though, he promised that Hanuman's devotees would never ever suffer the ill effects of Shani's influence. And it is this story and this reason that even today, people who worship Hanuman, especially on Saturdays, they are under his divine protection from Shani Dosha and the Sare Sati. Alright, that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you liked this one. Supercharged, action-packed tale of Panchamukhi Hanuman. If you did, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me, what's your favorite Hanuman story? Let's keep this mythological conversation ongoing forever. Until next time, stay inspired, stay devoted, and as always, Jai Shri Ram.